some English.
You understand simple sentences.
You can read English.
Maybe you even practice every day.
But when it is time to speak, your heart starts beating fast.
Emma, this happens to me. I know the words, but when someone looks at me, my mind goes empty.
That is very common, Leo.
I feel scared. I think, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? What if I sound stupid?
Today, we will practice English for that exact moment.
So, this lesson is for people who feel scared to speak English?
Yes, you will learn simple phrases to start speaking. Take your time, fix mistakes, and keep going.
Good. I don't need perfect English. I need brave English.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will know what to say when you feel scared to speak English. Today, we will use a simple, brave speaking map.
A brave speaking map?
Yes, name the fear, start small, ask for time. Keep it simple, try again.
Name the fear. Start small. Ask for time. Keep it simple. Try again.
Good. This map helps you speak even when you feel nervous.
So, I don't need to feel fearless first?
Exactly. Confidence does not mean you have no fear.
Then what does it mean?
Confidence means you speak while you are still learning.
That feels possible.
Yes, you can feel nervous and still speak.
I can feel nervous and still speak.
Excellent. That is our first powerful sentence. Let's start by naming the fear.
Okay.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
I'm scared of making mistakes.
I'm scared of making mistakes.
I worry that people will not understand me.
I worry that people will not understand me.
Good. These sentences help you explain the problem.
They sound simple, but real.
Exactly. You do not need difficult English to talk about fear.
I feel nervous when I speak English, but I want to try.
Beautiful. That is honest and brave.
I feel nervous, but I want to try.
Let's practice a real conversation.
Okay, Emma.
Leo, why don't you speak English more often?
I feel nervous when I speak English.
What makes you nervous?
I'm scared of making mistakes.
That is very common.
Yes, but I want to try.
Excellent. Say the full answer.
I feel nervous when I speak English because I'm scared of making mistakes. But I want to try.
Perfect. A2 answer.
That sounds better than just staying silent.
Exactly. Honest English is better than silent fear. Now let's learn a phrase that helps you start.
I need this.
Slow. I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
This phrase is powerful because it tells the truth.
I don't pretend to be confident.
Right. You say you are nervous, but you still try.
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Good. Now use it before answering a question.
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try. My name is Leo, and I'm learning English.
Excellent.
That phrase makes speaking feel less scary.
Yes, it gives your brain permission to begin. Let's practice starting even when you feel scared.
Okay.
Can you introduce yourself in English?
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Good. Take your time.
My name is Leo. I'm from Brazil. I'm learning English because I want to speak with more confidence.
Very good.
I did it.
Yes, you did.
It was not perfect, but it was clear.
And clear is more important than perfect.
Clear is more important than perfect.
Exactly. Now let's talk about the moment your mind goes blank.
That is my biggest fear.
Many learners freeze because they think they must answer quickly.
Yes, I feel pressure.
But you can ask for time.
What can I say?
Let me think for a moment.
Let me think for a moment.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Good. These phrases give you thinking time.
So silence is not my only choice?
Exactly.
Let me think for a moment. I want to answer clearly.
Excellent. Let's practice asking for time.
Okay.
Why are you learning English?
Let me think for a moment.
Sure.
I'm learning English because I want better opportunities.
Good answer.
I did not panic. I used a phrase.
Exactly. A small phrase can save the conversation.
So when I freeze, I can say, let me think for a moment.
Yes.
If you are watching, repeat this. Let me think for a moment.
Good. Keep watching, because next we will learn how to answer simply. Now let's learn how to keep your answer simple.
Why simple?
Because fear becomes bigger when you try to make a perfect sentence.
That is true. I try to say something big, then I say nothing.
So use this phrase. Let me answer simply.
Let me answer simply.
Question. What do you do?
Let me answer simply. I work in sales.
Question. How was your day?
Let me answer simply. My day was busy.
Good.
That phrase removes pressure.
Yes. Simple English is real English.
Let me answer simply.
Let's practice simple answers.
Okay.
Tell me about your weekend.
I want to say many things, but I don't know all the words.
Use the phrase.
Let me answer simply.
Good.
My weekend was nice. I stayed home, watched a movie, and rested.
Excellent.
That was simple, but complete.
Exactly.
A simple answer is better than a perfect answer trapped in my head.
Beautiful.
I can start simple and add more later.
Emma, can I share a story?
Of course, Leo.
I had a friend who was scared to speak English in his office.
What was he scared of?
He thought people would laugh at his mistakes.
That is a painful fear.
Yes, so in every meeting, he stayed quiet.
Did he understand the meeting?
Yes, he understood a lot, but he did not speak.
What changed?
One day, he decided to say only one sentence.
Just one?
Yes, he said, I have one question.
That is a small sentence, but a big step. That story is important.
Because he did not start with a long speech.
Exactly. He started with one small sentence.
And that sentence opened the door.
Yes. Speaking English is like opening a heavy door.
A heavy door?
At first, it feels hard to push, but one small push can open it a little.
So, one small sentence can be one small push.
Exactly.
Exactly. I have one question.
Good.
Can I add something?
Excellent.
One small sentence can open the door.
Now, let's learn small starter phrases.
These are very useful.
I have one question.
I have one question.
Can I add something?
Can I add something?
I think.
I think.
In my opinion.
In my opinion?
Good. These phrases help you enter a conversation.
Sometimes starting is the hardest part.
Exactly.
Can I add something? I think this idea is good.
Perfect. Simple and natural.
Subscribe for simple English conversation practice.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
I hate making mistakes when I speak.
I understand, but mistakes are part of speaking.
What can I say after a mistake?
Let me try again.
Let me try again.
I mean, sorry,
can I say sorry here?
yes. This is okay because you are correcting yourself, not attacking your English.
I go yesterday. Sorry, I went yesterday.
Perfect correction.
The mistake did not end the conversation.
Exactly. Repair and continue. Let's practice fixing a mistake.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I go to the mall. Let me try again.
Good.
Yesterday, I went to the mall.
Excellent.
I bought a shirt and had coffee with my friend.
Very good.
I made a mistake, fixed it, and continued.
That is real speaking confidence.
Confidence is not never making mistakes.
Right. Confidence is continuing after mistakes.
Repair and continue.
Now let's learn what to say when you don't understand.
This is important for beginners.
Slow. Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Good. These phrases help you stay in the conversation.
Sometimes I say nothing because I don't understand.
Now you have tools.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Perfect.
That feels polite and useful.
Let's practice asking for repetition.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday?
Oh no, too fast.
What can you say?
Could you repeat that, please?
What did you do yesterday?
Thank you. Yesterday, I worked, cooked dinner, and watched a video.
Excellent.
I didn't understand at first, but I stayed in the conversation.
Exactly.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Very useful phrase. Now, let's do a quick brave speaking quiz.
Okay, test me.
You feel nervous, but you want to try. What can you say?
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Good. Your mind goes blank. What can you say?
Let me think for a moment.
Excellent. You want to answer with easy English. What can you say?
Let me answer simply.
Very good. You make a mistake. What can you say?
Let me try again.
Perfect. You don't understand. What can you say?
Could you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Now, let's do one full conversation.
Okay. I will use the Brave speaking map.
Leo, can you tell me why you want to learn English?
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Of course. Take your time.
Let me answer simply.
Good.
I want to learn English because I want better opportunities.
What kind of opportunities?
Let me think for a moment.
Sure.
A better job, more confidence, and the chance to speak with more people.
Excellent.
I was nervous, but I spoke.
That is brave speaking.
Let's review the brave speaking map.
I'm ready.
First, name the fear.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
Second, start small.
I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Third, ask for time.
Let me think for a moment.
Fourth, keep it simple.
Let me answer simply.
Fifth, try again.
Let me try again.
Excellent.
Now I have words for the scary moment.
Yes, you do.
Before we finish, remember the heavy door. Speaking English can feel like opening a heavy door. At first, it feels difficult, but one small sentence can be one small push. Exactly. I'm a little nervous, but I'll try. Good. Let me answer simply. Yes. Let me try again. Beautiful. Now practice in the comments. Write one sentence you can use when you feel scared to speak English. You can write, I'm a little nervous, but I'll try. Today, you learned what to say when you are scared to speak English.
I can say, I feel nervous when I speak English.
Good.
I can say, I'm a little nervous, but I'll try.
Yes.
I can say, let me think for a moment.
Very useful.
I can say, let me answer simply.
Excellent.
And I can say, let me try again.
Perfect. You do not need fearless English. You need brave English.
Start with one small sentence.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and open the door one sentence at a time.